Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It with a little bit of hobble and bobble to start our Valentine collab off with. Just a little bit though. We have Miss Harley Marie with us today sporting her beautiful rings. Like I said, we are coming in with the Valentine collab with small number of girls, I believe. Nails of Interest, Girly Nails 66, and I cannot remember off the top of my head who else. Down in the comments, the first one will be pinned a playlist. Please watch everybody's video in full. If you're not already subscribed to them or to I, please do so now or when the time is permittable. So we have got our digits here. We have got some competition nails that I cut down with some white P&D gel polish. Index and ring finger I have on here the gel glue because I'm going to be putting some glitter on the nails. So I'm going to dive right in, get this mani started, and this glitter here, guess I should tell you what it is. This is called Sugar Baby by Creative Claws, I think it is. It's the only real pretty pink I have, which is kind of sad. It will be sad. But I'm going to pack this nail full of whatever I can. I'm just going to kind of coat it and cake it and coat it. Does that make sense? Hope so. That's what I'm trying to do here. Just try to jam pack it on. So I did it there, and I'm also going to do this on the index finger. I think this is just a beautiful, beautiful mix, and I'm limited on glitters. I don't have a lot. Try to have a heart one on there, some circles. Clean my brush a little bit because I don't really want these glitters stuck in my brush. Not today. So, we push down on these. Get that all stuck on there, all those delicious goodies. Wipe off the cuticle and sidewall area a little bit. Where's my brush? So I'll leave those to sit for a minute. But I am going to be going in with some stickers. I have a couple different patterns here that I got that I think are just really pretty. But first I'm going to put some little heart sequins on some places they're not going to stick. So which means I need glue gel. I gotta pop this in the lamp for 30. I'll put just a little flash here, that'll work for me, just so I can put these sequins on. We don't need a full cure. Just a few seconds. We're just going to put some randomly on the nail. If I can pick them up. Like I said, this is for Valentine's Day. Gotta have some red hearts, right? Gotta have some red hearts. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Just going to stagger them on the nails. the nail. Cover the whole thing, I guess. That's what I'm doing. There we go. And on the middle finger, I guess is where I'm putting the stickers. Because thumbnail, you know, it's gotta have something on it. I'm putting some red heart gems. Cap the end of your nail. Get my wax picker up her back. Whoops, back out here. Oh yeah, she's gonna want to slide about. Let's see if I can flash cure this and not move it. And then we will proceed as planned. Right? Right. So what's everybody's plans going to be for Valentine's this year? Are we staying home watching Netflix and chill? Are we going out with our sweetheart and dinner and a movie? What's your plans? Me, myself, I don't do Valentine's Day well. I never really have. I don't celebrate it. It's just another day to me for, you know, to me it's all about the candy company and the sweethearts, and I'm just not into all that. So, it still looks kinda like it needs something else. Maybe some stickers. Maybe some stickers. Let's see if I can get these off here properly without... It's hard to see them with the clear backing. Oh, it's hard to see. Here we go, I'm finally getting them up. Whoops. Oh. You didn't come off with it. Oh. No. It destroyed my mani. It took off the U, it didn't transfer. That really sucks. We're just going to put a pair of lips over here instead. Ugh. If I can get this picked up now. Oh man. Okay, there we go. That will work. Now for the middle finger. Snap, that went flying. There we go. doesn't want to stick too well, it looks like. No, we have to press this one down on the nail pretty good. Because it's curved. I'm going to get me a bow. There we go. I think we're in business now. What do we think? What do we think? You're going to top coat. Everybody some glossy shine. Everybody wants a glossy top coat, right? Right. This one I'm going to press down again before applying the top coat. Just to make sure it's down. I think I'm running out of this one. Top coat, that is. But, oh well, it did me good while I had it, right? Right. Well, let's click the glossy top coat here. Alright, we are going to pause. We're going to have a brief intermission while this cures for a full 60, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, fresh out of the lamp, as I say, and here is our manicure for Valentine's Day. I think that turned out pretty cute. Pretty cute, pretty cute. What do you say? Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my quick and easy manicure for Valentine's Day. It's really simple, but it turned out really cute, though. Watch everybody's video pinned down in the playlist. I'd greatly appreciate that. And please subscribe to my channel. Remember, I'm having a year of summer of giveaways, so be on your toes. Check that out back from my channel always, because I'm going to have a number of them going on all summer long, once or twice a month. So stay tuned. Have yourselves a blessed day, and as always, thank you.